So by default, a certain theme is applied onto your classrooms right here, just like this. But if you want to go around and change it out, then once you open out a certain classroom, you can see that customize is an option that appears over here, just like this. So on the general computing class that I have right here, let me just go around and click on customize. And once you do that, what happens is that I can go around and choose a theme color as I want right here, like orange, like blue, like let's say gray, and so forth right here. So let's just go around and choose green right here. Apart from that, you can go around and select out a stream header image right here. So you can go around and select out a photo, as you can see, and from pre-existing photos right here, like art, sports, and others right here, you can go around and select out a particular artwork just like this. So let's just go around over here and select out, let's say for example, other right here, and select out, let's say for example, this right here, and click on select class theme. And once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and hit the save button, and then this is what you have right here. Let me just go around onto customize, and you can select green right here, and green color will be applied, as you can see, to this class as well. Let me just go around and do the same right here. So for graphic design and creativity, I'm going to click on customize, select out photo, and I'm going to go to art section right here, just like this. And then let's just go around and select out, let's say for example, this musical theme right here, and click on select class theme. And as I select the class theme, you can see that certain colors selects out as well, but you can go around and change around the entire color as you wish, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and change out the class theme, as you can see. And as per the color that you select right here, you can see that the navigation and everything changes up just like this. So that is how you can go around and change the classroom theme inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.